Hi, Ben from K-On here. Today we'll be going over our rear door baskets for the LC76 and 78 series LandCruisers. They're a great option for storing all those soft items that you want quick access to. Another great way to mount our panel pouches and other various MOLLE accessories. They're a super easy install, so let's get into it. So before we go and mount the panel, we want to consider what accessories you might be mounting to it. You can mount things like panel pouches and other items when it's physically fitted to the car, but it'll be a lot easier to mount now. So we've gone ahead and already attached this panel pouch, so we're good to go. Now the next thing we're going to do, it's an optional step, but we're going to put some masking tape over this raw metal here. The owner of this car is quite pedantic, so we just want to keep it protected. I'll stick a little bit of masking tape over here. This is where a bigger roll of masking tape would be handy, but this is all I had. All right, that'll do us for now. The next step is to remove this plastic trim. So there's 6 screws, 5 on the front and a 6th one hidden on the side there. So we just want to go ahead and remove all of those. So with the trim off, you'll see there's these little white plastic plugs. The next step is to remove these lower 2, as we'll be replacing those with a larger screw. So just take your trim tool. They can be a little stuck, but just wiggle out those bottom 2 and they should come out of place. Now with these 2 screw holes empty, we'll use those same screws from before and reattach this panel, but leaving 1, 2, 3. These 3 bottom ones that are on the front face, we want to leave those empty for now. Now these screws are just into plastic, so you don't want to go too tight on them because you can risk stripping the plastic inside. I'm also keeping these loose, so we've got a bit of wiggle room in here, as it could come in handy later on. Next up, what we want to do is wedge this fold on the side of the basket in between the rubber of the window seal and the actual metal of the door frame itself. You'll see there's a bit of felt tape on here just to stop it from scuffing up the metal. So we want to loosely sort of slide that in between that gap there, like so. And then just bend the panel back until these 3 holes on the right hand side here line up. A few things to keep in mind. You want to get down and make sure that the bottom edge here is level with the door. So mine's not quite level. So I'm going to take some pressure off, wiggle it down a little bit, line it up again, and that's much nicer there. Now that everything's level, we just want to screw it into these 3 holes that from earlier. So grab the supplied screw and washer from your bolt kit, make sure your holes line up, and just get him started. Alrighty. And we just want to do these ones up just snug. It is possible to strip these out, so don't go too hard. Alright. Now that these 3 are in, we'll come through again and just nip up these other factory bolts from earlier. We'll remove our protective masking tape. Like so. And that is the large door done. We'll move on to the small door. Over on the small door, it's much the same as the large one. The only difference is we don't have those nice captive screw holes to line up to. Instead, we've gone for a 2-part operation. So the 2 pieces, again, there's felt tape and it will squeeze in between the gap of the window rubber and the window frame itself. We want to start off with the small one. Slide him in there so that the felt tape is towards the metal of the door frame, and just loosely leave him in there like so. You'll notice this side here has a little cutout in it. That's to get around your demister. So we'll lock the door, we'll push that little guy down so he's out of the way. Line that up around the demister and slot him in. And then again, we'll pivot it back towards the door. You want to make sure the smaller bracket sits on the inside face of the larger basket. And we want to get down and make sure he's lined up. He's not quite lined up, so I just want to take a bit of pressure off, adjust my position, and come back. Might take a couple goes just since there are a few moving parts here. Almost there. Okay, so I'm now pretty happy with how this bottom edge is lined up. We can go ahead and bolt the two brackets together. So using the button head bolt from your bolt kit with a washer, slide that in from the outside and through the hole in both brackets. Take the supplied nut and just get him started. And repeat that on the bottom hole. Now, this does have a bit of adjustment forwards and back. So not only do we want to make sure it's parallel along the bottom, but we want to make sure it's parallel along the front face as well. So I'm just going to push this guy in a little bit while I do up these bolts. Keep everything nice and square. All right, now we'll just unlock this guy again, don't forget to do that. And that's the small panel fitted. And that's the rear door baskets for the 76 and 78 series Land Cruisers. For more information, head to the website kaon.com.au.